In this video, I'll show you how to add a new contact directly within WhatsApp. This method works on any device, iPhone, Android, or Samsung. It's a very simple process. If you find this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Step 1. Update the app recommended. Before we begin, it's a good practice to ensure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. This guarantees all features work correctly. If you're on an iPhone, open the App Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if available. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if needed. Step 2. Open WhatsApp and navigate to Contacts. Open the WhatsApp application. You'll see your usual chat list. Look at the top right corner of the screen for the plus icon plus, or an icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. Tap on it. Step 3. Create a new contact. A menu will appear. From the options, select New Contact. This is typically located right under New Group. Step 4. Enter contact details. You will now see a form to fill out the contact's details. Enter their first name and last name. For the phone number, enter it in the designated field. You can also tap the country code to change the region if the contact is from a different country. Step 5. Save the contact. Before saving, you'll usually see an option to save to your phone's contacts or just to WhatsApp. To keep your contacts synced across your device, ensure it's set to save to your phone's address book. Once all information is entered correctly, tap Save in the top right corner. And that's it. The new contact is now saved. You can immediately start a chat with them by finding their name in your WhatsApp chat list or Contacts tab. You've successfully added a new contact in WhatsApp. If this tutorial was useful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides like this. Also, let us know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see on the channel. Thanks for watching.